Good morning, kiddos. Hi, Momo. You want to say hi? Okay, you say hi. So, this is Momo, my other cat. I actually have three cats. Today is April 3rd, 2020. It is Cesar Chavez Day. The school would have been closed today. That means you would have been able to stay home without work or assignment. So I will not be assigning work today. Bye, Momo. um, Next week is also would have been spring break. That means the schools, LESD schools, would have been closed. So the district is going to honor those days and give us and you a break from trying to figure all of this out. I know everything's new and stressful. So next week, go ahead and take the time to just kind of take a breather. I know a lot of you guys are trying to finish your work, my work, your teacher's work, and take a breather. But if you wish to continue and want to have something to do, I'm going to show you how to access my website. Okay, just 1 second. So, what I'd like to do is give you a tour of my website. The link to my website is in the description down below. And I'll show you how to open up a description box and click the link to that in a few minutes. So let's go ahead and take a tour. So when you click that link, it'll take you to my website's homepage, and you'll see my name in the corner, Teacher Aure, my heading. And if you scroll down, you'll see your grade level. And if you keep scrolling, you'll see the link to my YouTube channel. And if you keep scrolling, it'll give you a message saying that on your grade level page, you'll see Zoom meeting time. Like I said, today and next week, school's closed, so I will not be hosting any Zoom meeting today and next week. But I will resume Zoom meetings on April 13th. I will post videos starting April 13th, Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and I will host Zoom meetings on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And if you scroll some more, you'll see that there are some links that you might find helpful. Okay, so I'll go ahead and go to your grade level. So for second grade, again, if you click home, it'll take you back to the home page. That's true for every grade level page. And on the second grade's homepage, if you scroll down, you can access the Google Classroom with an LAUSD account. But don't worry, I'm posting assignments here and I'm posting assignments on my YouTube channel, so you don't really have to get a Google Classroom account. You'll also see the link to a Zoom meeting, which tells you the schedule. So Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 10 to 10:30, I will be meeting with second graders. If you can make it, you can join us. If you can't, don't worry about it. This is mostly if you have a question about the assignment. I go over the assignment that I give for that day during that time frame. Okay, so that's for your homepage. For your reading page, again, this is true for every grade level. There are videos that you can watch along and read along some books with, and there's a math tab, and for the math page you will see there are some games you can manipulate and also videos to watch. Okay, and if I go back to my second grade homepage, you'll see there's a writing tab. There's a video there to help you get started with writing. This is the link that you should really be checking every day. That's where I will be posting assignments every day. So this is the message for today, Friday, April 3rd, 2020. There are no assignments. I did not post any, but I do suggest you watch the video here to learn about Cesar Chavez. That's who we are celebrating today. So if you click this link, the video will start. Okay, but it's too small to see. So you should click this little square here, and this is true for everybody, and it will take you to the YouTube channel, to the YouTube page, and then you'll click play, and it'll play it on a zoomed out screen. When you're ready to go back to my website, you click this icon down here on the right side, bottom right. You click that, and you're back to the website. Okay, so this is true for every grade. That's let me show you 6th grade. It's the same format. Google Classroom, again, you don't have to join it. Zoom, the schedules are different for every grade level. Okay, 6th graders, our Zoom meetings will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 2 to 2:30. 5th graders, our Zoom meetings are from 1 to 1:30. 4th graders, 11 to 11:30, and 3rd graders are from 12 to 12:30. Okay, so let me go ahead and take you to my YouTube channel and show you how to open the video. So if you get to my YouTube channel, there's videos already uploaded. But if you click playlist, you'll see that all the videos have been grouped by grade level. So you can just go to your grade level. So let's say I want to go to 6th grade. All the videos that I've uploaded,
kiddos, Miss Aure.
all the videos that I've uploaded for 6th graders will show up. Okay, so this was, I believe, March 23rd's video. So if you scroll down, this was yesterday's video, this was the day before, and if you click on any video and you look at the description, let me see this one, and you see this link here.
Good morning, kiddos, Miss Aure here.
Stop.
This video is for...
Okay, you see this link here. If you click that, it will take you to my website. Okay, so I've linked my website to my YouTube channel and my YouTube channel to my website. So hopefully you learned something new. Hopefully you're able to access information easier. So again, April 3rd and next week, today and next week, schools are closed, so I will not be posting new assignments. Take the time to take a breather. Say thank you to the people who are taking care of you, your caregivers. Say thank you to your parents. Say thank you to anyone who's providing you with any support, any food, help around the house, wash your hands, go to bed, get some sleep, and I hope to see you all soon. Goodbye. Good luck.